Join us, Millie,
Jonty,
Milo, and Aspen,
as we share our lives as Brits.
living in my country of birth, Singapore.
We hope you enjoy our adventures as we find the extraordinary wonders in our normal everyday lives.
Welcome to Wonderlust.
We wanted to visit the bird park again before its big move, with tickets costing just $2.50 for a limited time to commemorate its 50th birthday. The price was a throwback to the entry fee when it first opened in 1971.
It's raining today like it was the day we went to the zoo, and so what we thought we would do is we will buy the tickets for the tram rides, which you can do on your phone right away, so we're doing that now, and hop on the tram and explore the bird park that way.
One of the advantages of parks having reduced capacity during COVID is less people. It felt like we had the park to ourselves.
We're going to the waterfall Avery, the first hand-made waterfall.
I distinctly remember coming here as a kid and riding the monorail and seeing the place here, but the monorail's not here anymore. They closed it a number of years ago, but they've kept the station and they've kept some of the rail, and it's so nice to be able to see it just here behind me. That little overgrown section where the monorail is still there and all the leaves coming over it just reminds me of like Jurassic World, you know, when they go from the new park, they go and they see all the old park from before. It's pretty exciting. Behind me is the station that used to be the monorail station, and they've turned it into some exhibits. You can see some displays. There's a peacock just there, which is pretty cool, and we're going to go and see whether we can go upstairs and experience it all. Here it is. What an amazing little place, and we'll show you. There's the peacocks up here, and you can even see where the monorail used to run across this station.
That's the one that's making all that
The fact that it's been raining all morning actually makes it quite nice because it's really cool today, so we don't feel too hot and sticky walking around the park. Favourite games is a game called Pooh Sticks from Winnie the Pooh stories, and you have 2 sticks or 2 leaves and you put them on one side of the bridge, then you rush over to the other side and you see whose leaf or whose stick has come out the other side first.
So over at the site at Mandai where the zoo and the night safari and the river safari are, they're building a brand new bird park, and eventually they're going to move everything from here over to there. It's taking a long time. I guess it's a really big project. I don't know how long until they actually shift everything over. One of the things that I find amazing over here is that they're still constantly updating everything. Where we are now is just outside what used to be the lorry loft, and last time we were here we had an amazing time, and we're going to go in and have a little look at what they have put in there now and experience the birds from Africa.
It's okay. Oh, he's coming. See? Looking at it. See? Yeah. Oh, there's a meal on my arm.
Was that fun? Yeah? Wow!
Whoa, look at that on Daddy's arm.
Good job, Milo. Last time we were here, my wife had lorries all over her.
Yeah.
It's so funny. Yeah.
Yeah, that was really fun. The claws feel really weird. They kind of freak me out a little bit. But last time we came here, I ended up with a bird on my head, trying to get a hair clip out of my hair. So I was a little bit concerned they were going to try that again, especially the big one. Wow.
There's another old monorail station serving as a tram stop.
Are you having a nice day? What
Yeah.
have you liked best?
Feeding the bird on my hand there.
This fella here has trapped us this side, and the kids are trapped that side. This is
Let me out.
the Aspen exhibit. But we're just going to let this fella move out of the way. There's an iguana stuck on the roof.
Feet right into their mouth and just throw it into the water. Okay? There you go. So you hold it by the tail. Yeah? Give me one as well. Don't let go. Don't let go. Hey.
And what was it like?
Weird. Because I never holded a fish before. I fed penguins.
And how was it?
Good. Smelly fish.
Wanna touch the penguin? Wow.
Very wet.
Yeah. Every time we've been to the bird park, we've absolutely loved it, and it was so nice to be able to get to go before the new park will be opening from 2022. It was nice to be able to feed the animals as well, and that was a real nice surprise for other kids.
Yeah, we're going to be really excited for it to be over at Mandai, as Millie said, but Mandai's filled with loads of different things. We recently went to go and see the night safari. We realised that there isn't a lot of footage of the night safari out on YouTube, but that's because, as we found out, you can't film that much in the dark. So we just decided to put together the best bits for you to be able to see, and I hope that you can enjoy it and maybe it inspires you to go and check it out for yourself. So the sun is setting on this little island, but it's not normally the sort of time for people to go out to the zoo, but for us in Singapore there is a night safari. That was the site of the infamous performance. Enough of that.
This is the Barao.
The horns are curly. The tram ride was really fun, and we saw lots of animals except for the tiger. Tiger was hiding.
tram ride. It was really good fun. The kids really enjoyed it. Aspen was a little bit worried that some of the animals might be able to jump over and across to get her, because there aren't any barriers or cages or anything like that. There's a big dip. I don't know how they managed to do it, but they are not going to come across. But there are no bars, which is really lovely to see. All the enclosures lit up really softly, which is really nice. It was getting darker and darker and darker as we went around, which was quite nice as well.
We're so pleased that during this time that they're still able to run all the shows. They've just made sure that everyone's really well spaced out.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Ready?
There's a pizza vending machine, a fresh orange juice vending machine, a drink vending machine. It's 11:15, the kids have got some munchies, so we just got them some snacks to eat. We've had a really, really lovely time at the night safari, and we're going to head back, and hopefully these guys will stay awake in the taxi.
Not a chance.
We hope you can find some time to go visit the night safari for yourself.
Yeah, it's awesome. The tram ride was free as well. It's part of the ticket fee. Normally you'd have to pay extra, but it's just part of it because it's one of the features of the night safari as well.
Yeah, and hello to all of our new subscribers. If you check out the comments below, you can find us on all social media platforms, and if you wanted to get in touch with us or drop us any comments or recommendations or questions, we would love to hear from you.
As always, thank you so much for joining us. We love having you along with us on the journey, dropping comments in. We try to reply to everybody. If we haven't replied to you, send us another comment and hopefully we'll reply to that one. And yeah, we're just enjoying having you along on the journey, and we look forward to seeing you next time.